Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your likes on Instagram posts from anyone. So, if you like something on Instagram, or maybe you can see if your friends has followed the same accounts with you, there will be shown that, for example, like this. A certain post is liked by your friends. So if you want to hide yours, this is what you need to do. After you open your Instagram, you can go to your profile and you go to the three lines icon at the top right corner. Now if you can just scroll down, and there is this option, likes you've made. Tap on this. Okay, so now my current settings is that everyone can see the likes I made on posts and reels. So if you want to hide it from anyone, you can just click on this, don't allow anyone to see likes, like this. Or you can also choose that your close friend can see your likes or the people you follow. So after you done your you already done choosing, you can just go back and the settings will be saved. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.